man, I just had a vision of getting my car wrapped. Yeah, I don't have the money right now, but maybe there's a way to find an affordable wraps around here. You know what, let me call you right back.
Hey man, I'll be right with you.
Okay, I'll wait. Wow, and they do rims too? Interesting. That's a lot of colors. Well, I'm gonna have to go with satin red this time. Got a gloss red, so change it up a little bit.
Welcome to TGD Wraps.
Hi, I'd like to know if I could wrap my gloss red Genesis into a satin red.
Oh yeah, man, that'll be a pretty cool color. Yeah, we can do that.
Okay, do you know how long it would take for my car to be ready?
4 to 5 business days.
That's not bad. Okay,
Cool.
thank you.
What you think?
So dope, man. Like, I love it. Your slogan is so perfect for your business. My vision became into a reality.
That's what we do here, man.
Thank you so much once again.
Welcome.